Welcome, everyone. So if you're a digital entrepreneur or you run an e-commerce store,
Yeah.
you know just how hard you work to make a sale. But what if your business has this slow leak, silently
Mm.
draining away that hard-earned cash?
That's exactly what we're tackling today. The 5 critical accounting red flags that can quietly kill a business. And we're not just here to point out problems.
Right.
We're here to give you clear, simple fixes you can implement like this week.
Let's jump right in with the first and I think most immediate danger.
Okay.
Red flag number 1 is having cash flow gaps that last 30 days or more.
Right.
Mark, in simple terms, what does this actually feel like for a business owner?
It feels like you're rich on paper, but, poor in the bank. You have all these sales invoices out there,
Yeah.
but you don't have the actual cash to make payroll or pay for your next inventory order. You see it in symptoms like customers consistently paying you late, or you're relying heavily on credit cards just to cover daily expenses.
It's such a classic trap that just stalls growth.
Yeah.
So the solution is to get ahead of it with a 13-week cash flow forecast.
Wow.
It's literally like a weather forecast for your bank account,
Okay.
showing you potential shortfalls weeks in advance so you can act early.
That makes sense. Now, for a red flag that's all about discipline,
Mm-hmm.
Number 2, mixing personal and business expenses. I mean, we've all been tempted to just use the business card for a personal purchase, right? Because it's just so convenient.
It's incredibly common, but the risks they're serious. It makes your bookkeeping a complete nightmare, which
Right.
costs you time and money. But, and this is more critical,
Yeah.
it can pierce the corporate veil. That means if your business gets into legal trouble,
Wow.
your personal assets, your house, your car could be at risk.
And the fix is straightforward, but it is non-negotiable.
Okay.
Maintain completely separate bank accounts and credit cards. If you absolutely must pay for a business expense with personal money,
Right.
have a formal process to reimburse yourself through payroll. It's a simple habit, but it provides a powerful legal shield.
Absolutely. Okay, now for a red flag that separates the businesses that thrive from those that just survive.
Ooh, okay.
Number 3, having no idea what your actual profit margins are. You might be celebrating your most popular product, but it could be secretly losing you money on every single sale.
This is a huge one in e-commerce. You have to account for not just the cost of the goods, but payment processing fees, shipping costs, and the ad spend it took to get that specific sale. If you don't know your gross margin on a per product basis, your pricing strategy is a total guess.
Exactly. So the fix is to work with your bookkeeper and build a product-level profit and loss statement.
Right.
This is how you make informed decisions about pricing, about advertising, and, which products to focus on.
Speaking of things that require planning, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, taxes.
Oh,
Red flag number 4 is falling behind on your quarterly tax estimates. This one can create so much anxiety.
it really can, but it doesn't have to. The IRS, they want their share as you earn. And if you wait until April to pay a whole year's worth of taxes,
Oh, man.
you'll be hit with penalties and a huge cash flow crisis. The solution is just to treat your taxes like any other recurring expense.
And the fix suggested here is brilliant in its simplicity.
Yeah.
You set up a separate savings account just for taxes. Then you create an automatic transfer to move, say, 20 to 30% of every single deposit you get into that tax account.
Wow.
It automates the discipline for you.
It transforms taxes from this source of fear into a predictable,
Right.
managed part of your business. Okay, let's bring it home with our final point.
Let's do it.
Red flag number 5. You can't explain where last month's revenue went.
Ah, yes, the leaky bucket problem. Your sales reports say you had a great month,
Right.
but you look at your bank balance and you're just wondering, where is the money? It's a sign that you lack a core financial discipline. The leaks are often SaaS creep, all those little software subscriptions that add up, or uncategorized expenses.
So the antidote is implementing a 10-day month-end close. It's a totally non-negotiable routine where you and your bookkeeper review your financial statements,
Okay.
you compare them to your budget, and you understand every single dollar. It is the ultimate form of control over your business.
So these red flags are serious.
Yeah, they are.
But as we've seen, they are all fixable. It's about moving from being reactive and stressed
Yes.
to being proactive and in control of your financial destiny.
That's the goal. These habits are what turn a chaotic small business into a clean, scalable finance system. And if you recognize your business in any of these descriptions and want a hand in setting up these systems, we highly recommend getting a professional audit.
Absolutely. You can visit wisebookspro.com to schedule a free consultation with an expert who can help you plug these leaks for good. There's no obligation, just a
Nice.
clear path forward.
And to get everyone thinking, we'd like to leave you with a question. Looking back at all 5 of these red flags, we have cash flow gaps, mixing expenses, unknown margins, tax surprises, and the leaky revenue bucket.
Yeah.
Which one hits closest to home for you right now? Be honest. Drop a comment below. Your story could really help another entrepreneur feel less alone in this journey.